Updating firmware safely on your Sharp Aquos TV.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a very common query that we often come across. Is it safe to update the firmware on my Sharp Aquos TV? The short answer is yes, it's generally safe to update your TV's firmware. However, there are some precautions you should take to ensure a smooth and secure update. Let's dive in.
What is firmware and why is it important?
Firmware is a type of software that's specifically designed to run on things like your Sharp Aquos TV. It controls the functionality and user interface of the TV. It's important because it can introduce new features, fix bugs, and enhance the overall performance of your TV.
Is it safe to update the firmware?
Yes, it is generally safe to update the firmware on your Sharp Aquos TV. Updates are released by the manufacturer to improve the TV's performance, add new features, and fix any existing bugs. However, a firmware update does carry a small risk. If the update process is interrupted, it could potentially cause your TV to malfunction. But don't worry, we're going to discuss how to avoid this.
How to safely update your firmware.
Follow these steps to safely update your TV's firmware. 1. Check your TV model. Make sure you download the correct firmware for your specific model of Sharp Aquos TV. 2. Stable internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection before starting the update to prevent interruptions. 3. Power supply. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable power supply to avoid power loss during the update. 4. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Do not turn off your TV or use the remote until the update is complete.
What to do if something goes wrong?
If the update fails or is interrupted, do not panic. Turn off your TV, wait for a few minutes, then turn it back on. The TV should revert to the previous firmware version. If the TV doesn't turn on or operate properly, contact Sharp's customer service for further assistance. So, there you have it. It is safe to update the firmware on your Sharp Aquos TV when done correctly. Remember, each firmware update is designed to improve your TV experience, so it's worth taking the time to update. But always ensure a stable internet and power supply and follow the instructions carefully. Happy updating!